Maybe you're waiting until you have a lot of money before you start investing and think that you can put investing off until some time in the future. In this video, we discuss 5 ways in which investing regular, monthly small amounts beats the equivalent amount of a one-off lump sum investment. Let's check it out.
Welcome to Money Unshackled, the investment channel that sets you and your finances free. I'm Andy and this is Ben, and if you like what we say, hit the like button and click subscribe. Let's get into it.
Number 1. Avoid market crashes. Here is a typical snapshot of the FTSE 100 shares index. You can see historically how it has boomed and crashed at fairly frequent intervals.
What you ideally want to do as an investor is buy when the market is low and sell when the market is high.
However, nobody really knows when the next boom or crash will happen. Various uncontrollable events around the world frequently impact the stock market in unpredictable ways. This makes timing your buys and sells pretty much impossible.
Let's look at what would have happened if you had bought shares here in 2008. At the time, it looked like the market was going to continue to boom, but it actually crashed massively. If you had invested £2,400 here, your shares would be worth only £2,669 today.
But if you have been buying shares monthly, like this, let's see what would have happened over a 2-year period either side of that 2008 date, investing £100 a month for 24 months, instead of £2,400 in one go.
Your shares today would be worth £2,968 today, £300 higher than the risky lump sum investment. Of course, the lump sum could have gotten lucky and worked out differently, but that would be gambling, not investing.
Number 2, it's cheaper with smaller fees. Most online shares platforms, including the likes of AJ Bell and Interactive Investor, charge around £1 a month for each regular trade that you make, compared to around £10 for each one-off investment made.
Over the years, these fees can really damage your investment returns. And by the time you come to access your money, your pot size could be double in size if you keep your fees to a minimum.
Fees may not seem large now, but over the years they will magnify and become significant, and your pot will thank you one day.
Number 3, experience. Learn by doing. Perhaps the most valuable investment course that you can attend is the School of Life. That is, just get out there now and start doing. Buy some shares today.
We can all read books and attend courses until the cows come home, but experts tell us that about 70% of experience learned comes from hands-on experience, learning by doing.
Don't put off investing until you have a large amount of cash. Start investing regularly right now on a monthly basis and learn what's right for you.
Number 4, getting started. Investing small amounts regularly, starting now, can be the difference between retiring with millions and wishing you had remembered to get started. Instead of, maybe in the future, becomes, I'm doing it now. If you don't start now, you will be too afraid to invest your money when you have a lot of it. Make your mistakes now while you don't have much money, rather than later when you do.
Number 5, the magic of compounding.
Over a 30-year investment period, your regular investments are building on each other, reinvesting the dividends earned to buy more shares regularly. A lump sum investment will also benefit from some compounding, but it doesn't benefit from as much because you are starting later.
It may take you years or even decades to build up a sizable pot that you feel comfortable investing, and during this time it's been sitting around doing absolutely nothing whilst being slowly eaten away by the silent assassin known as inflation.
Be sure to check out our popular video on the Vanguard Lifestrategy fund. In our opinion, the perfect fund to start investing regularly into. We'll put a link in the description below.
Question of the day: have you ever lost money on a lump sum investment? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. On this channel we talk a lot about personal finance, investing and all things money. And if you want to see more great content, please click the subscribe button below.
We've been Money Unshackled. See you next time.